Hello, it's Johnny Ringo here from Las Vegas Bus Sales, and what I've got behind me is an awesome commercial coach. This is a Bluebird All-American with a 8.3 Cummins ISC and a 5-speed Allison transmission, which is a great combo. But there's a lot of features on this bus that you got to check out, because what you see looks like a standard white commercial bus. Let's take a trip around and let me show you why it's so special. This thing has straight metal. And as you can see, it's got nice, clean paint. You've got an important thing that everybody likes to know is lots of meat on those tires. The fronts have a lot more, the rears are a little lacking, I'll say. More than a little lacking, but. And the first feature of this bus that's really nice is undercarriage storage. Let's see if we can get one of these open. Let's take a look at that. Back here, let's check out that Cummins ISC 8.3 with your 5-speed Allison transmission. Sounds very healthy. Coming back this way, you've got even more undercarriage storage. Let me just real quick. More of it. So here's where the special part happens. Come on inside and check this out. You got your grab rails. You've got cloth seats. Now you don't see this very often you don't really see individual seats like this in a commercial coach or commercial bus. You got high back seats, cloth, seat belts, the whole deal. You got speakers for your passengers' entertainment. You got lights so they can see what they're doing. You've got a nice large rear air. This is top-mounted condensers. Going back to the front of the bus here, you've got your mid-air up here. And it gets even better when you get up here. Of course, you got your driver's controls, you got your Allison transmission push button, but it gets even better. You only have 47,000 miles on this thing. I'm telling you, it's a clean bus on the inside. If you need a people mover, you're looking to convert a bus, this is your bus. And that is our 2009 Bluebird All-American. And it is a unique, special one. I like it. My name is Johnny Ringo. This is Las Vegas Bus Sales. Visit us at lasvegasbussales.com, or you can call us at 877-456-9804. And have a great day.